You don't need a team anymore. One person with AI is now replacing entire marketing departments. And the crazy part is, this is already happening right now. Small business owners are still paying full teams for work that one person can now do using AI tools and a laptop. That is why this model matters. You're not building some complicated startup. You're building a simple service that helps businesses get more leads, reply faster, and look more professional online. And this is not theory. Real people are already doing this using tools like ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Zapier for automation, ManyChat for replies, and Apollo.io to find clients. So this is not some future idea. It is a real business model that normal people are already using right now. The easiest version for beginners is an AI-powered digital marketing service for small businesses. You can help gyms, dentists, clinics, medspas, real estate agents, or local shops. These businesses all want the same thing: more bookings, more calls, more leads, more follow-up. They do not care about fancy AI words. They care about results. So never sell AI as the product. Sell the outcome. Tell them you help them create content faster. Follow up with leads automatically. And stop losing customers because no one replied on time. Keep the model simple. Your service can do 4 things. First, create content. Second, make designs. Third, automate lead follow-up. Fourth, set up instant message replies. That is enough to make this a real offer. You do not need to code. You do not need employees. You do not need a big budget. You only need one niche, one problem, and one repeatable system. And the startup cost is low compared with almost any normal business. You can start with basic versions of the main tools and upgrade later when money starts coming in. That matters because most beginners do not fail because the idea is bad. They fail because they make the setup too expensive before getting the first client. The first step is to pick one market. Do not help everyone. Pick one group with money and one problem you can understand fast. Dentists are good because they want more bookings. Gyms are good because they want more trial signups. Realtors are good because they need fast follow-up. Medspas are good because every missed lead can mean lost money. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to sound useful and real. The second step is to find one painful problem in that market, not 10. 1. Maybe a dental clinic gets Instagram messages asking for prices, but no one replies fast enough. Maybe a gym gets website leads, but the owner forgets to follow up. Maybe a realtor has old leads sitting in a spreadsheet doing nothing. That broken part is where the money is. If you fix one problem that brings back more bookings, the business owner does not care that you used 5 tools. They care that they stopped losing customers. Now let me show you exactly how this works in real life, step by step, with no confusion. Start with content. Now open ChatGPT and type this. Write 10 Instagram post ideas for a dental clinic that wants more appointment bookings. Then type, write 10 short captions for those posts in a friendly tone. In less than a minute, you have ideas and captions. If you want real content, type, write a 30-second Instagram reel script for a gym promoting personal training for beginners. This is why ChatGPT saves time. You're not guessing anymore. You're giving clear prompts and getting usable drafts fast. Next, go to Canva, open the home page and click the search bar or magic design. Type something simple like modern Instagram post for dental clinic, clean blue theme, appointment booking focus. Or for a gym, Instagram post for gym promoting personal training, modern style bold text. In seconds, Canva gives you ready-made designs. You pick one, change the text, add the business name, maybe change the image, and it is done. That is the real workflow. You are not manually designing everything. You are selecting and tweaking. If you have never done this before, do not worry. AI does most of the first draft work. You just clean it up. That is why one person can now do work that used to need a writer, designer, and assistant. Now comes automation, and this is where the business becomes valuable. Open Zapier. The simple way to understand Zapier is this. It connects one app to another and runs tasks automatically. Imagine a gym has a lead form on its website. A person fills the form. Normally, that lead waits there until someone notices it. But with Zapier, a flow can start the second the form is submitted. The lead goes into Google Sheets. Then an automatic email reply is sent. Then the owner gets notified. Then a task is created so nobody forgets to follow up. That one setup can stop lost leads every week. Here's the exact kind of flow you can sell. Trigger, new website form lead. Action 1, add name, phone, and email to Google Sheets. Action 2, send an email saying, Takoy, thanks for reaching out. We will contact you shortly. Action 3, send an alert to the business owner. Action 4, create a follow-up task. Small businesses love this because it feels advanced, but it is just one smart workflow, solving one expensive problem. For Instagram and Facebook replies, use ManyChat. This is perfect for businesses that get the same questions every day. Price, timing, location, offer details, booking link. Connect the Instagram account, create a rule, and set a keyword. For example, if someone sends price, they instantly get a reply with the offer or booking link. If someone replies to a story, they can get a welcome message right away. This saves time and helps the lead get an answer fast. That speed alone can help a business win more customers. Now let's talk about getting clients for your own business, because this is where most people stop too early. Use Apollo to find leads. Go into Apollo and search for the business type you want to serve, like dentists, gyms, or medspas. Build a list, then go back to ChatGPT and type, write a short, friendly email offering help with lead follow-up and content for a dental clinic. Keep the email simple. Clear problem, clear help, clear next step. Do not try to sound like a giant agency. Sound useful. Sound easy to work with. And this is the point I mentioned at the start. And one person used to need a full team to do this. Now your tool stack becomes the team. ChatGPT thinks, Canva designs, Zapier automates, ManyChat replies, Apollo finds leads. You're still the brain behind everything, but you're not doing every small task by hand anymore. Now let's do the money math so this feels real. In the beginning, keep the offer basic. You can charge a $500 setup fee to create content prompts, make a month of posts, set up one lead form automation, and build one simple DM reply flow. Then charge $300 to $500 per month to manage it. If you get 4 clients, that can be $2,000 up front and $1,200 to $2,000 per month. That is beginner level, but it is real. Now let's say you improve your offer and move into higher value niches like dental clinics or med spas. You charge $1,000 to set up the system and $750 per month to manage content and follow-up. With 6 clients, that is $6,000 up front and $4,500 every month. At 10 clients, that becomes $7,500 monthly. That is why this model is powerful. You do not need a huge audience. You need a few good clients and a system that solves a real problem. And yes, some people charge more than this when the automation clearly saves time or brings in revenue. So this does not need to sound fake or dramatic. The numbers are believable when the service solves a real business problem. This is not just motivation. This is a model that can actually work. The biggest mistake is trying to sell too many things at once. Do not offer websites, ads, funnels, branding, SEO, content, and coaching all together at the start. Sell one result. A strong beginner offer sounds like this. I help dental clinics get more bookings by creating content and setting up faster lead follow-up. That's clear. It sounds useful. It does not confuse the client. Your outreach should stay simple too. Send 20 messages a day, short messages, no big speech, something like hi, hi. I help clinics get more bookings by improving content and lead follow-up. I noticed you could probably automate some replies and save time. If you want, I can send you 3 ideas for free. That works because it feels direct and helpful. If you send 20 messages a day for 30 days, that is 600 messages. If 10% reply, that is 60 replies. If 10 of those get on a call and you close 3 clients, you're in business. Even at beginner prices, 3 clients give you proof, confidence, and testimonials. The first goal is not to look huge. The first goal is to become real. Even if you don't have a real client yet, create a sample demo, show before and after. Show how a slow reply becomes instant. That alone can help you close your first client. Once you get your first client, save everything. Save your best prompts, save your Canva templates, save your Zapier workflows, save your ManyChat reply rules, save your outreach scripts. That is how you stop creating from zero every time. That is how one client turns into a repeatable system, and that is how a one-person business starts feeling scalable. This is also why this model fits normal life. If you still have a job, you can spend 1 hour on outreach, 1 hour on client work, and 1 hour improving your systems. 3 focused hours a day is enough to start. You do not need to quit your job on day 1. You need to prove the model first. So if you want a business that feels simple, real, and possible, this is one of the best options right now. Pick one niche. Solve one painful problem. Use ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Zapier for automation, ManyChat for replies, and Apollo for outreach. Start with one client, improve the system, and then raise your prices. That is how a one-person AI business grows. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and do not just watch this. Don't watch this and go back to scrolling. Open ChatGPT right now, pick one niche, and write your first offer today. Because the people who start this week will be ahead of everyone still thinking about it next month.